Hello, my name is Julie Greene. Today is, according to my watch, Saturday, April 5th, 2014, which it doesn't say on my watch, so I happen to know the year, by the way. This is a message for staff in hospitals, that is, nurses, doctors, MHCs, anybody that happens to call themselves a sitter, occupational therapists, anybody that runs a so-called group, anybody that supervises, anybody who has the gall to boss around somebody their age or older than them or younger than them or anybody called a patient. Think about the person you are bossing around. They're a human being, too. What's the difference between that person and you? Think about that right now, because who is that person you are telling to go to bed? Who is that person you are telling? These are the rules. What rules? What are those arbitrary rules? What are you telling that person? Eat your food. Take your meds. Do this, do that. Sit down. Stand up. Go into this room. Take your drugs. Lie down. Who is that person? What are you telling that person? What are these half-truths you're telling that person? Why are you interrupting that person? Why are you lecturing that person? Who is that person? Why did you not ask? Would you say those things to your mother? Think about it. Would you say those things? Would you tell your mother it's bedtime? I don't think so. Would you tell your grandmother those are the rules? Would you have your grandmother play miniature golf or bingo? I don't think so. What about that aunt of yours? What about the aunt they said was in the concentration camp? I don't think you'd have her play miniature golf. I don't think so. I don't think that aunt who they said was in a concentration camp under Hitler, I don't think you'd tell her 10 times, it's time to go to some babyish group. I don't think you'd tell her about manners. I don't think so. I don't think she needs to be told 10 times what your babyish rules are. I don't think so. Think twice. We're flesh and blood too. It's time to treat people like people, because we have feelings too. My name is Julie Greene, and I'm still alive in spite of all that disrespect, dehumanizing, and everything they did to me. I'll never go back to those places, and I don't have to. Thank you very much. Goodbye.